In today's episode, I'll show you a very simple way on how you can make some peanuts at home. You only need 3 ingredients, and that is some raw peanuts, some water, and some salt. And without further ado, let's get started. This is a very easy recipe, and I'll start by adding my groundnuts into a container. I'll also go with a generous amount of salt. Then I'm going to add some water, and I'll let this soak for about 20 or so minutes. This is about 20 minutes later, and you can see that our peanuts have already soaked in the salty water, so we do not need to salt our peanuts anymore. Today I'm using an oven, and I'm first going to start by straining this water. Then I'm going to spread the peanuts on my baking tray and make sure that not even one peanut is on top of the other. And if at all you do not have an oven, I have another recipe on how you can use your gas cooker and a pan. Please check that out. I'm going to link it at the end of this particular video. And these peanuts that we're making today, we are going to make another chocolate snack that I'm pretty sure you're going to love. Having them all layered will ensure that they bake evenly, and I'm going to bake this in an oven that has been preheating at 160 degrees for about 16 to 20 minutes. Our peanuts are done, but they are still hot. I'm going to wait for them to cool down, then I'll be back to show you how you can store them. About 30 minutes later, I'm back and my peanuts are cooled and they are also well done. Yeah, that's how you know your peanuts are well done. Zikitoka ngozi pretty easily. And how to store them, you'll need an airtight container just like this, and this is just a lasagna that I bought at 50 shillings in town. Then we are going to transfer them into our container. They taste good. Well salted, well baked. And that's pretty much it. You can store this in the pantry for as long as forever, as long as it's airtight. Also, if at all you do not have an oven, check out a previous episode where I showed you how to roast some peanuts without an oven using a gas cooker. And join me in tomorrow's episode where I make a chocolate and peanut snack or a dessert. And that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.